you don't usually talk much about throwing longer lines, but today I'm going to see if I can throw a little longer line. I have my trusty, very limber 12.5 foot TFO Professional Series that I got about 15 years ago. And I've got a pretty heavy 12 foot sink tip head on the end of this. We're going to see, I've got a pretty good crossing north wind, so some of my casting is a little bit sidearm to keep it from hitting me in the head when I bring it forward. But we're going to see what we can do with a little bit of practice. See if we can throw, I got 90 feet of line from me to the fly. Let's see if we can make this happen. Overhang on the line outside the rod tip, and I think that will get me a little bit of extra force that I need. So that was kind of a sidearm cast with a lot of energy. Just to compensate for the wind blowing right to left. I don't have a place to put my anchor on my off shoulders, on my downwind shoulder. That was a very nice cast. I'm doing is choking back up. Hold down here. If you hold down here, same movement, moves the rod tip a lot more than if it's up here. You get relatively small arc in your power stroke. Do it down here, the same movement gets you a much longer power stroke. Overhang. That's a lot of line speed. So we're working on a 100-foot cast. Got it there, marked on my line. We're close to it. I want it with energy. I don't want it to just barely make it. I want it to pull a little drag at the end. Little. Let's hear that. Star. Let's get all the stars in alignment. See if we can drag a little line here. Oh, whoa, okay. Well, there you go. We even pulled a little drag. That was a real 100-foot with a good anchor. There's the overhang I want. No, that's not. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.